Hi, I'm Naveen Anthony, and in previous video I started with the lamp. In this video tutorial, I'm going to make a switch which was left in the previous video lesson. Let's see it. I'm going to complete this table lamp model, finishing the switch box. So today I'm going to model this switch box, and also at the same time I will adjust the wires of this table lamp. So here it is, the switch box along with the switch and its base. So this is switch, its base, and this is switch box. First I will attempt switch box, then I will model these two, switch and base of the switch, which this will be a little tricky. So I will tell you what to do and how to do. And now for this uh, for this switch box, the best and easiest way will be to taking off chamfer box, right? And after taking chamfer box, there is a depth here in the bottom side, so we will create this depth by chamfering and extruding this uh, shape, and then we will start creating these two other shapes, and we will finish today, and then we will render it. Okay, so here it is in Max. So one more thing I want to tell you, that today I am going to work on Max 2021, which is the latest version. So in before this video I created it in Max 2010, right? So here also whatever I am going to create, the same tools I am going to use, so no problem with that. We'll having no problem to understand, and little bit changes in the interface and tools, little bit changes of, so no need to worry. Everything is all right, all fine. So I'm starting with 2021, so hope you will not get any trouble. If you want to better, it will be better to install educational version of Max 2021 from Autodesk websites, and start practicing on that. Now come to the model. So here for making of this switch box, I will go to first top view, and then I will go to extended primitive. Here it is already there, and click on chamfer box, click drag, adjust the height, and then fillet shape, then P, and now I will check that what will be the length, height, and width will be. So go to modify. I will go to modify. Then here length is 36.232. I think it is all right. Width is 78. So width is also 78. So increase it little more, and height is this much of, make height 20 lump sum, and increase the fillet amount, I think. So fillet segment is 3, that's all right, but we need to increase the fillet amount. Here it is, from 3 to make it 8, or 10 rather, 10. 8 will be all right. Here it is. So created the basic shapes, position it also, done. Then now see, there is in this switch box, which I told you before, there is one depth here in the bottom of the switch box. So here it is edge, so I will apply edit poly, and then 2 is for going to edge label, shortcut 2, see here 2, edge is activated there in sub object level. That means we are in sub object level edge. Then single click over here, and then shift click on the adjacent edge, any one adjacent edge, it will select whole of the all of the edges surroundings without going to loop there, right? I need to search where loop is located. Now go to tools, isolate selections, right? It will give me control to work. As I'm going to see this one object only, I can focus more on this object. I can be able to see all the components of this object only with isolate selections. So here it is edge. Now I will chamfer this edge. Now I will chamfer this edge. So go to this chamfer section, box will come, and then chamfer the value. Here it is. Here it is 0.84, or rather go to 0.5 will be fine. Okay. Then again go to polygon level, select this polygon and shift click on the other polygon. Again it will make a loop of the polygon. Done. And then again go to extrude this time and go to, here it is group normal, extrude polygon, group normal, and this is by polygon, this is local normal. So in local normal, turning on local normal, just extrude it inside. This much of amount is fine. Okay. One more time, I need to extrude it to give it a depth. Extrude polygon, local normal. Okay, that's done. And now oh, something happened here. Okay, two times already I extruded it, so no problem. Here it is. Apply turbo smooth modifier and see how it is coming. Turbo smooth, iteration value, make it 2, F4. See here, bottom side, right? So now select all these edges, move it up, and select all these edges by again shift clicking. Click once and then come to adjacent edges, shift click, shift click. Here it is. Move it little downward, right? And then go to vertex level, and there is no vertex in between, means no segment in between. So create one segment, select edge, click this one, again shift click this one, and then go to connect. Yeah, it is now connected. What value we need, so give it one value only. Okay. In 3D, the less number of polygon, if giving quality, the same quality, then that will be the best. Now select this one, go to top view, select these vertex, press R and press it inward slightly. That's it. Shift Z for viewport undo. Z for zoom extend solve. Now see, here it is. It is ready. Now apply turbo smooth modifier. Press F4. Give it iteration value 2. That's it. See how it is coming. Right. So here it is also, see here. Here it is also like that only. But I need to press it more further inside. F4. Vertex is still active there. This much of. That's it. Yeah. Okay. It is like this coming. How it is coming. Okay. So turn vertex. Now top view pay. First one. Yeah. You select this first one scale option, and in one axis only scale it down. Push it, press it little inward. Now that's all done. So here it is, base of the switch we created. Now this is done. So now the next part is tools and isolate. Yes, now see. Yeah, very nice. Next part is to create the other component of this box, means switch. That means this switch and the base of this switch. So for this, again, for switch, go to top view. Again, take sample box. Click and drag. Set the height. Set the chamfer amount. That is done. Then press Alt A to align it to the center of the object. Now it is aligned. Then move it on the top surface, as it is going to be a switch. That is done. And then apply edit poly modifier. Go to polygon level, that is shortcut is 4. Select bottom polygon, here it is. Press delete. Go to tools and tools and isolate. Again click both, Alt Q, Z for zoom, and now I'm going to give it a shape of a switch. So here it is. Click on vertex level. Select all these vertex. Move it down. Select these two vertex also. These two vertex only. Move it down, back, little up, and select these two, down. Then again all these more down. That's it. And now apply turbo smooth modifier and see how it is coming. Not bad, it's coming. It's checking the shape. Click on vertex, move little up, back, select all these four vertex, means select all these four vertex, go a little back, give it a shape. Here it is. Make it, give it iteration value 2. Click this 2, move it forward, move it forward. This also select this also, move it forward. Yes, yes. Now go to tools and end isolate and see the switch and adjust it on a surface. Just adjust it. Here it is. Save it. uh, Give it a name, T3. Replace it. Yes, there was already a file named T3. Now here it is done. Now what left after this is that here, this one, this shape, right? This shape again we need to create. So how we'll create this shape, so that we will see here only. Smartly we need to do it, right? Smartly we need to do it. So okay, let me save it first.